Just enjoying a little afternoon treat. I just made these like super simple, yummy oat peanut butter banana cookies. It sounds like nothing, but you need to make them, they're amazing. Anyway, I need to do a massive grocery haul. I've been trying to just let the groceries dwindle because I've just been lazy, but it's time. And I normally have been ordering groceries and just having them delivered, but this morning, I got inspired. It's been so nasty and gross and drizzly every morning, and now the sun's finally out. So I got myself dressed. I'm gonna go get a coffee and do a big old Trader Joe's haul. And now that it's basically summer, all I want is just like quick, easy meals that don't take a lot of time, so I can spend as much time outside as possible, just like relaxing and enjoying myself. And I think that's why I love Trader Joe's. Like, I haven't been there in a month or so, but I feel like I need to go because they have so many good ready-to-eat options that are pretty healthy. But you do have to know what to look for because they do have a lot of stuff that like seems healthy, but once you dig into the ingredients, you're like it's not actually that great. And I know not everyone has a Trader Joe's near them, so I'm gonna show you my staples and what to look for really, so that no matter where you're shopping, if you're trying to eat healthier, you'll know exactly what to grab. Do we hear these birds? I feel like I live in the wilderness. All right, so if you like grocery hauls like this, sweat the thumbs up. That just means give it a little click. And if you're new to my channel, you guys, I have new videos every single week sharing my health and fitness journey to help you with yours. Plus, I do weekly giveaways for my subscribers as a way to say thank you. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and comment down below. And we gotta give a little shout out to last week's winner. Sarah Sunny Life 6408 won a little LSF prize. And this week I'm gonna give away my 7-day sugar detox because let's be honest, sugar is really kind of at the center of all of our problems, I feel like. So we're gonna help you detox it so you don't have those crazy cravings. All you have to do again is make sure you're subscribed, like this video, and comment down below. And every week I go through the comments and use a tool to help me choose one winner at random, so it could absolutely be you next week, and I'll announce it over in the community channel. I've always had one rule when it comes to grocery shopping, and that is never go hungry. So obviously I just ate my cookie. I'm gonna mix up a little protein and then grab my bags and go. I have to go fast because the baby's still asleep, so I just wanna make it like quick trip. And you guys, it's so exciting. We are celebrating my LSF Nutrition Supplement line's 3rd birthday this summer. It's on June 21st. I can't believe it's gonna be 3 years. Like, if you've been here well, you know I was mixing up all these powders and making like magic, I don't know, 7, 8 years ago in my videos here, and then turned it into LSF Nutrition. So Miss Congeniality Mood Boost was the first one. It's just wild. Like, I can't believe we're celebrating 3 years. Anyway, point being, we are doing some crazy amazing things to celebrate, including giving away tons of Amazon Fresh gift cards. We're doing 40% off new subscriptions. So if you've been liking one of the products and you're like, yeah, I wanna get it regularly, you can get 40% off the first order. Like, that's crazy. So everything's on lsf.com. I'll link it down below, but yay. And so it's gonna be such a fun month. I have no idea where all my like reusable bags are because I always forget them, but I have some of my paper bags from Whole Foods, so we're gonna take those. And yes, I always carry Miss Congeniality when I'm going to get coffee. I usually have it in the glove box, but it's in our other car, so I had to grab it. I'm gonna order Pete's, and my go-to coffee order is very simple. It is just an almond milk latte, half decaf, half regular. That's it, medium size, nothing crazy. I sometimes will have them add cinnamon, but I usually just add it myself, so we'll see. I'm gonna start this car, but you guys, it's so loud. Here we go, ready? Vroom vroom, as Luke would say. I don't do the sugar-free, like, why add any sweet? I'm gonna do Miss Congeniality for my sweetness. I am weird though. I do actually order it extra hot. Okay, so in here, can you see this? Like the half decaf option. So I can just do half decaf, boom. Because your girl can't handle that much caffeine. And also, we just talked about this with cellulite. You don't wanna overdo it. Just the right amount of caffeine can be helpful. Too much, then you just have more cellulite. All right, orders in, let's go. forever be my greatest pet peeve. I don't understand why you leave carts. It's 10 feet away. It was so scary in there. Like, I don't know that it's ever been more busy. There were so many people. I didn't think at like 2:30 in the middle of the week that it would be that wild. It was crazy. So I actually don't even know what just happened. I feel like I blacked out and just grabbed everything. We'll see. I totally forgot this was in here. Look at all this stuff. Are you happy you got some berries?
No.
Are you happy to go swim?
No.
Can you smile? Can you show me your teeth this way, right here? Yeah.
All right, so staple in our house, always organic ground beef, 85% lean, 15% fat. It's like a good balance for me. I prefer grass-fed. Oh wait, it is grass-fed. I don't know why that's not like big and bold on the top. I mean, organic's cool, but I feel like people who want grass-fed, anyway, whatever. Grass-fed, this is like a pound of it, so this will be good for just quickly cooking. I think the reason I love ground meats is they just cook so fast. So again, when it's hot, you don't want to spend a lot of time in the kitchen in summer. This is nice and easy for burgers. You can grill outside or make tacos or whatever. I think raw chicken is nasty looking, so we're just gonna tell you we bought chicken and move on. Ground turkey, same thing, really good for like my tacos or different bowls I do. A lot of like stuffed bell peppers. You guys have gotten those recipes, which if you haven't, check out my air fryer videos because I have free recipe ebooks for you in those. But this is just something we eat like multiple times a week. All right, then some of the like ready to eat meats that I really love. Always have like some type of chicken sausages at home ready to go. I do like getting the ones that are raw, but these again are just faster. You can either just microwave them, you could eat them cold if you wanted to, I guess, because they're already cooked, or throw them like stovetop for a couple minutes. They're good to go. And I apparently got 2 different types. So organic chicken sausage, these ones are sweet Italian. The other ones were spicy, so we can really mix things up. Those are also really good for like pasta salads. Like just put a bunch of veggies, chop them up, throw them in there. Some turkey breasts, just easy sandwiches or lettuce wraps. These really, the only downside is since I eat about 4 ounces, Ryan eats 6 ounces, this is only like 2 servings, so it'll last us 1 single day if we both eat turkey, basically. Organic grilled chicken breast. This is just really simply made and is ready to go. Again, cold or hot. I love for big like summer salads, Caesar salads, everything. It's just so simple. And I'm so excited for this, you guys. When I tell you I had to literally step up on the refrigerator edge and climb and reach my little fingertips to the very back to get this because it was the only one. I'm not joking or exaggerating. I probably look like a fool. But I saw the sign for it and I was like, oh, because I feel like I'd seen it on TikTok and there was one left and it was hiding in the back. Like I feel like someone hid it purposely. It is pulled chicken salsa verde. Oh, this just sounds so good. And I know this is easy to make, but you guys, when it's ready and it's simple and pretty clean, like this is what I live for. So seasoned chicken breast and salsa verde with roasted tomatillos and green chili peppers. Again, ingredients are just really, really basic. Not a lot going on there. It's just really all the seasonings you'd want for the salsa. That's what I love. High protein, obviously, 18 grams of protein per serving. There's no sugars in it. And that is what I look for when I'm looking at prepackaged meats. Don't get ones with sugar. You don't need sugar in them, especially if it's more than like 2 grams, especially if it's added. Don't do it. This is gonna be amazing. I think I'm gonna make like tacos with this. It just really would be good with a bowl with some rice, throw this on top, put some roasted veggies, or let's move on from meats. Roasted corn. I don't eat corn that often. I don't eat it off the cob because I had to get implants for my teeth and stuff, and I just feel like I'm so teeth sensitive. But when it is already cooked and roasted and decobbed off the cob, I love it. This one's really yummy. So I got that. That'd be good in a bowl like that. These veggies, again, frozen veggies are just as good as fresh ones. Of course, maybe you'll get a little more nutrients from the fresh ones. The research is debatable, right? But Frozen veggies usually are cheaper and they're just faster and easier. You don't have to chop anything, you don't have to clean anything. We're saving time in the kitchen this summer and I'm here for it. Organic berries are always, always, always on my list. I had no idea how fast you would go through berries with a toddler. It's insane. But we do smoothies, popsicles, and just eat them like in bowls and everything all the time. So lots of frozen berries. Some frozen broccoli, just again to add in the mix for something quick. Also, another reason I get a lot of frozen stuff from Trader Joe's in particular is I don't love their produce. Like their fresh produce usually goes bad so fast. I don't know what it is. I prefer to get my fresh produce usually other places, but it's so good for all this type of stuff, like fast, prepackaged, ready to eat, pantry staples. The one thing I did grab that was like more like fresh produce was some romaine lettuce because I want to make some big salads. And I needed lettuce. I always have some type of pasta in the cabinet just for like, I don't know, pasta salads or when we wanna do a dinner. It's just a good like pantry staple. I love this one, it's just brown rice and quinoa, so it's good gluten-free for any of my girls with sensitive bellies. We'll come back to this because if you don't know about this, you're gonna wanna. Rolled oats, these ones are such a good price and they're gluten-free, which is great, and we just eat a lot of oats and oatmeals and make healthy cookies and all the things. Which, by the way, I'm gonna need to give you guys that recipe. So I think what I'm gonna do, maybe I'll do it in text club. Maybe I'll send it out to the girls. I'm gonna put my phone number down below for my text club, and this is like the coolest text club because we actually talk. Like if you have questions, you can just text me and I answer them. And I share all the best deals and stuff there too, but it's really cool because we get that like connection. So I think I'm gonna share that cookie recipe that I showed you in the beginning with my text club girls. So just text me down below and I'll send it out probably like next week. Sweet potatoes for a good healthy carb. Obviously these take a little time, but I'll just prep those ahead of time. So I have them in the fridge in cubes usually, ready to go to throw into bowls and salads. Just do a little bit of work ahead and it lasts for like a week, so that's great. We always have a little pure Irish grass-fed real butter. I don't use the fake stuff, just the real thing. Yes, I'm mindful of portions obviously, but it is a good healthy fat. So in moderation, just go for the real thing. Same with cheese. I love doing a little Parmesan on different meals. And then I love these sun-dried tomatoes because they're not in oil. So if you like sun-dried tomatoes, adding them into meals, try to find ones like this that are just dehydrated, not sitting in a bunch of excess oil, because then you're just getting extra fats you don't need. Chomps are always kind of my go-to for just a quick hit of protein. I'll keep those in the cabinets. And then a few of these guys, actually I've never tried this before, but we buy this really good green hot sauce, but it's really expensive. So I'm gonna see if this could be a good swap for it. Almond butter and peanut butter, just no salt added to these, just to keep it as simple and clean as possible. These are the best chickpeas. I love like plain chickpeas too, but these Greek chickpeas have parsley and cumin and they make the best summer pasta salads and veggie salads. Like I throw them on everything, they're so good. And then the artichoke hearts, same thing, just to throw in bowls and salads. I'm clearly on a big salad kick right now. So when you're buying canned foods like the artichoke hearts or like chickpeas or anything canned, and same with the nut butters and stuff, my biggest thing is just looking again for added sugars. You don't want them, and added salt. Sometimes it can have some salt in it and that's okay, but I personally like to add salt to things myself so I can control how much we're getting, because if you guys watched my cellulite video, you know, like salt is a good thing. We do need it. It's gonna help our body absorb nutrients and get the water into the cells better. But if you're eating a bunch of packaged processed foods, you're probably gonna be in an excess amount of salt. So I like to avoid salt in my foods and then add it myself so I get the right amount. And it just is better tasting and all of the above. Okay, so let's talk about this lentil situation. Now, yes, these are the Trader Joe's lentils that are already cooked and bruschetta, whatever, you get it. I'm sure you can find your own version or cook your own lentils, but I feel like now they always have lentils that are pre-cooked at like almost any grocery store and some type of bruschetta. I shouldn't even try. Okay, you get it. So, this was a Trader Joe's recipe probably like 10, I'm not even joking, like 10 plus years ago. My sister found, like they were sampling one day. And it has been a staple for parties, family get-togethers. We make this all the time and I love having it in the fridge during the summer because it's a good high protein snack that you can literally just eat. It's so good by itself. Of course you can use stuff to dip it, but it's also really good to mix in, oh, I don't know, a pasta salad or something else. Well, I clearly need to make a big pasta salad. Like, you know, like that big Greek salad I made in a couple of videos ago, like this would be good and not mixed too. So I'm gonna whip this up really fast. If you need just quick things that you can grab, this is perfect. And then also if you have like pre-made chicken like this, you can throw that in to make it even higher protein to make sure you're getting those complete proteins. So this is really simple. You literally just put these two things together. You also, the recipe calls for feta. I think I might have some. I didn't buy any because I honestly don't think it needs it, but it is good. So if I do, I might throw a little in. Okay, it's literally that simple. If you need an idea for an app or something to bring to a party this summer, this one right there is it. So I did have a little bit of feta, but you can tell how often I use cheese because it's not good anymore. So we're gonna throw that away, it's gross. But I put a little fresh parsley. I think the feta actually makes it look prettier, just having like the white in there with it, but it's still so good just as it is. So I'm gonna pack that up, put it in like an airtight container, put it in the fridge with the rest of this, do a little meal prepping, and then try to just relax and just go enjoy the sunshine. This is like so weird to eat with coffee, but I feel like I need to take a bite of it. Oh, it's so good. All right, guys, I hope you like this grocery haul. If you did, slap the thumbs up. Just give it a little click to let me know you did. And if you want that cookie recipe, remember just to send me a little text. I'll be sending that out next week. That's also where I'm gonna share all of the crazy deals we're doing and all of the giveaways for LSF Nutrition's 3rd birthday. So you're gonna wanna join that anyway. And before I forget, in like 2 weeks, I'm gonna open up signups and share more all about my summer challenge. It is a 6-week challenge that starts on July 8th. It's my summer shape up challenge. It is just like the perfect way to not only obviously help you get toned and lose weight and get stronger, whatever your goals might be, but just to really give yourself a foundation throughout the summer to know that you can stay consistent and you can do it from anywhere. The workouts are only 30 minutes. They're so easy to do anywhere. I'm gonna give you a nutrition plan so that you can still like enjoy yourself, but feel your best and feel confident no matter what you look like, what's going on in your life. You can show up feeling your best every day. So more on that soon, but I love you guys. See you soon. Bye.